Okay, hello everyone. So today I will be doing a lesson on decoding. Uh, so decoding different words, and this lesson is designed for a third grade student. So thank you for being my honorary student today. Um, so basically what we're going to be doing, I will have you read these words that are on the computer screen right here. And then I will go over the prefixes in the words and the meaning of those prefixes, okay? Then from there, I would like you to come up with a word that has the same prefix but is a different word than the one you just read, okay?
Yes.
So do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, let's begin. You want to read this word?
Unfriendly.
Okay, so un is the prefix and the meaning is not. So could you tell me a different word that has the prefix un?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. That's a good one. Okay, the next one.
Understand.
Understand. So the prefix is under, meaning like underneath, right?
Under.
Yeah. This next word?
Triangle.
Triangle. So the prefix is tri, T-R-I, meaning three. So could you think of another word that has the prefix tri in it?
Tricycle.
Tricycle, because it has three wheels. Okay, so the next one, let's go with this word.
Submarine.
Okay, so the prefix there is sub, meaning under. So could you think of a different word that has the prefix sub?
Subway.
maybe subtract.
I know. Subtract.
So to take away. Okay. This one's kind of funny.
Prefix.
Yep. Funny how we're talking about prefixes. The prefix of prefix is pre, meaning before. So could you think of another word that has the prefix pre? How about
No.
premarital?
Premarital.
Yeah, that's one with pre. What about this word?
Overlook.
Okay, and so overlook, the prefix would be over, meaning on top of something. So could you think of a word with
Overcook.
overcook? Yeah, to mean cook something past its point of which it's done. Okay, so now I want to do the same thing, but over here we're going to kind of go over some suffixes. So the prefixes are at the beginning of the word, the suffixes are at the end of the word. So we'll do a couple suffixes as well. So could you read this word for me?
Woeful.
Woeful. And the suffix there is full, meaning notable for. So could you think of a word that ends with full?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. Full, notable for beauty, right? What about this word?
Skepticism.
Yeah, ism, belief. So could you think of a different word that has the suffix ism?
Racism.
Racism, yeah. So let's move on to this one.
Rudeness.
Rudeness. So ness is the suffix there, and it means the state of being. So could you think of a word that ends with ness?
Happiness.
Happiness, yeah. So the state of being happy. And then let's do this one.
Punishment.
And then the suffix for that word would be meant, which is the condition of. So could you think of a word that ends with the suffix meant?
Agreement.
Agreement, yeah. So it would be the condition of agreeing, right? So basically, this is the whole summary of this is you have your prefix, which is at the very beginning, like we just went over. You have your suffix, which is at the end, and then you have your root words, which are in the middle. So thank you very much for working with me on this lesson. I very much so appreciate it.
You're welcome.